to Accountants Minute. This week's edition examines the evolution of public accounting over the last 40 years, from the Financial Management Research Centre at the University of New England onwards. As part of Black Friday, we have a fantastic range of specials available from today until 6th of December. We have a restricted number of holiday accommodation package vouchers that are available on a first-come basis for upfront 12 months payment in advance subscribers for our starter, advanced or financial forecast packages. Public accounting, is this the evolution we had to have? In this feature article, I explore the range of forces that are producing changes in the Australian public accounting industry almost every day. I also refer to the recent warnings by the Australian Tax Commissioner, which I believe should be seriously considered by all accountancy firms, but in particular those of it who are catering to the market specifically identified in the Commissioner's speech. I've identified the new services that can be delivered utilising the technology, communication and product packages that are available today that were not available 40 years ago when FMRC started their pioneering promotion of the concept that accountants in public practice should be supplying a broad range of commercial services for their clients. As part of the celebration, we are presenting daily webinar presentations for 7 days, from Tuesday through to Wednesday the 30th of November. And in the middle of that, of course, is our Black Friday celebrations. You can register for these complimentary webinars at www.essbiztools.com.au. Accounting news, there's about 10 separate articles contained within this edition that I would recommend, because they contain articles that we think will be of interest to accountants who are serving small and medium-sized enterprise clients. Some good news: the holiday accommodation package for having accessed the accounting news segment of this newsletter was being won this week by Sue Lee of Sue Lee Accounting from Parkville, Victoria. Congratulations, Sue. I know you were quite surprised when Marlene rang you to tell you that you'd won the prize. So to all of you, keep on logging on, having a good look at the material, because our system records who has accessed the articles. We're putting all those names into a box, and we draw it every 2 weeks at 9:30 a.m. on a Wednesday morning, and we do that in a live feed on social media, and all the details are on our website. This week we've had 3 social media posts that have gone out to LinkedIn, Facebook and YouTube. You can view those by clicking on to the links within Accountants Minute. The 7-day webinar series are fully summarised with the name of the webinar, the day it's been presented and the time zone, expressed as AEST or AEDT. My apologies for those of you in the centre and Western Australia. We probably should have included your time zones as well. We'll do that for next week. Details of the titles of each webinar, as I've indicated, are listed. We've also given you access to the recent webinars that we have produced. There's 3 of them. Just click on them and you can watch them. And if you have any questions or comments to make on any of those webinars, please send me an email, peter@essbiztools.com.au, and I will get back to you. That's basically the summary for this edition of Accountants Minute. If you have any additional items that you'd like to discuss with us, please give me a phone call. 1-800-232-088 is the best number to get me on. Or you could send me an email, peter@essbiztools.com.au. And please feel free to go onto our websites to have a look at what we have available. They're www.essbiztools.com.au and our grant website, which assists firms all over Australia to identify government grants. And there's hundreds of them, and they keep on changing daily. So it's an area that we have an expert maintaining that system for you to use. It's not an expensive subscription, less than $20 a week, and you can be seen to be a hero to your clients because you're able to keep them informed about government grants. And there's a lot of work for accountants with working with clients who've secured government grants, because a fair bit of the money can be spent on activities that you can undertake: budgets, cash flow forecasts, reorganising businesses, etc. Have a great weekend, and I hope next week is very good for you. And I do look forward to talking to you all in our various webinar presentations that start on Tuesday. You can come to each of them if you like. We've tried to segregate them into people who might be interested in the starter package, the advanced package, which covers all of the material that ESS BizTools have produced. And then we have the financial forecast package, which includes the advanced package material produced by ESS BizTools and the software package produced by Plain Guru, and the coaching by Paul Barnaby on how to use Plain Guru's software. So there's a lot there. I look forward to talking to you again next week. Stay safe. Have a great day. Goodbye.